Okay, let's get it in here, guys. Look at a champion. Look at a champion set and tell them you got it in today. All right? Look at a champion and tell them I am your teammate. All right? I'm going to keep you up. Look at your teammate and let them know I'm going to keep you up. I'm going to challenge you. All right? I'm going to lift you up when you're down. I'm going to give you a high five when you're up. And we're going to get it in every practice. All right, Brielle, come tell us who you are and look down so we can see you, all right? Take us home. Come on, Kennedy, Cassie, get your hand in here. Get your hand in here, Sharif. Let's go, Kyle, get it in here. All right?
Brielle Hall, champions on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Champions! All right, good job, guys. All right. Awesome job.